Okay, good morning, guys. Guys, good morning. Reply in the chat box. Just reply hi. What about others? Solpa. Guys, in the previous class, we had seen the introduction to computer graphics software. Computer graphics software. So yesterday's class, we had shared the screen also. So basically, computer graphics software will be divided into two types. So first one, it will be special purpose software like your CAD, CAM, CAD CAM, Paint, MS Paints, graphs, charts. These are all special purpose graphics softwares which are designed for non-programmers. Which are designed for non-programmers. Next we have Dev C++, Java 2D, Java 3D, Fortran. We use these programming languages to design the same objects using programmers. So this type of softwares, this type of method is called as general purpose. So this is done by the programmers. We the programmers are going to do that one. So basically, the computer graphics softwares can be broadly divided into two types. So first one is general purpose softwares, which will be handled by the programmers, and the special purpose packages which will be dealt by the non-programmers. So basically, to use computer graphics in programming, what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to include one library called as GL, Open Graphics Library. We are supposed to include that one. Without including graphics library, we cannot use that one. And here, no main, nothing will be there. So your code starts from GL begin to GL end. You are supposed to write a particular piece of code in between GL begin and GL end. GL begin and GL end, you people are supposed to write the code. And next, what we discussed was we need to include few new header files. Earlier, we knew that hash include stdio.h, hash include match.h, hash include conio.h. Those were the header files what we used to use. And here, for computer graphics, what we are supposed to use, we are supposed to include few more header files. Hash include gl/glut.h and gl/glu.h. You're supposed to include two new header files also. Okay. And after you are included that one, you can rename the window. You can rename the window, the output window, what you used to get to see the output. You can rename that one also. So once again, today, just you people go have a glance of that one for a minute or two. The same yesterday's thing, you just have a glance of that one. And You are supposed to use graphics library utility and graphics library utility toolkit, GLU and GLUT. Next, you need to include these two header files. Hash include GL, that is capital GL slash GL.h, and hash include GL slash GLU.h. You are supposed to include these two header files. To set up the window, we are supposed to use this function glut init. Glut init means glut initialization. Graphics library utility toolkit initialization. Argument count and argument vector. Next, we can create our own window name, that is glut create window. An example OpenGL program is there. Instead of that one, you can give Srikanth, Sachin, Dhoni, Kohli, or any other Corona or anything. You can give any name to the window. If you give in that function glut create window, inside that quotes, you can give anything, any name. Even you can give just MNO or XYZ, you can give anything. And next, we can set the background color of the window also. The output screen window, you can set it to white color or you can set it to black color. If it is 0, glut GL clear color, graphics library clear color, 1.0, 1.0 means RGB, you're going to set to 1. And if you set this fourth bit to 0.0, you're going to get the screen in white color. And if you set the same one to 1.0, you will set it, you will get the screen in black color. See here, if you set all the bits to 1.0, 1.0, 1.0, 1.0, and once again 1.0, you're going to get it in black color. Otherwise, if you give 1.0, 1.0, 1.0, and 0.0, you're going to get it in white color. That is one thing. And whatever the color we may assign, to invoke that one, we need to use this function GL clear, GL color bit buffer, color buffer bit. See here, this is at most important. This function, I'm going to highlight that one. I'm going to draw a single line, guys. I'm going to draw a single line. If I set this bit to 1 and the other bits to 0, 0. Now, if I draw just a line, that line will be in red color because I have set the bit red to 1. This is, see here, I'm going to highlight this one. Just go through this one. So this is red color and this is green color and this is blue color. If I set, now I have given this as red color. Now, is it understood? GL color 3 of the image, whatever I have created. If I can give, I can assign any color to that one. Now here what I have done is I have set the red color to 1, means the image will be in red color. So if I make it as 0, 0 and 0, 0, and if I give it as 1, 0, the image, the output will be in what color for me? Reply. Output will be in what color for me? You can reply in the message chat box also.
Black. Blue, sir.
Hey, there are only 3
Red.
basic colors, man. RGB, red, green, blue.
Red.
Any color,
Blue,
million
sir.
colors you can generate using those 3 colors only. Any color is nothing but it's a combination of those 3 color, guys. There is no new other color. Only there are 3 basic colors, RGB. RGB. You can derive any color by the combination of those things. Now here, I have set which this first one. Wait, I will tell you. This one is first one is R. this one is G, and this one is B. Whichever bit I'm going to set it as 1, I'm going to get that color. Okay.
Red, sir, red.
Now here, if you see, I have set red to 0, green to 0. I have set this bit to 1. Now I will be getting the output in which color?
Blue.
Blue.
Sir.
Blue.
This is blue, guys. This is blue. Now I don't want red, or I don't want green, or I don't want blue. I need some other color. Okay, what is orange? It is nothing but a combination of red and green, right? Will you people agree for that one? I set these two bits to 1. Now if you see here, I have set the red bit to 1, and I have set the green bit to 1, and I have set the blue bit to 0. Now I won't be getting red color as well as green color. What I'm going to get is, I'm going to get a color combination which is the mixture of red and green. What is the mixture of red and green? What is the mixture of red and green color? See here, you can see here in this image. So red and green, you are going to get yellow, and blue and red, you are going to get Magneta. Green and blue, you are going to get white. And next, the combination of yellow, Magneta, and can, you are going to get white. Now I have set these bits to 1 and 1. I have set this bit red color, and I have set this bit green to 1. Now which color I'm going to get it here in the output? I'm going to just draw a line. I'm going to get that line in which color? Respond, guys.
Yellow.
You're going to get that line in yellow color. The same image, guys, you see here. What is the combination of red and green? It's yellow. What is the combination of red and blue? It's Magneta. What is the combination of green and blue? It's can. Okay. Like that, you can get the output in different colors. You just go through this one. You read this paragraph. For the objects to display in our screen, we can assign colors by using this function GL color 3F. 3F means it will be in 3D, 2F means it will be in 2D. See here, GL color 3F. Do you have any idea about this F? What might be this F? Guys, respond. What might be this F? Okay, GL color 3. 3 stands for through 3D. 2 stands for 2D. What is that F? Can't I give I there? Can't I give D there? Guys, please respond, especially girls. You people are a little bit silent. Can't I give I there? Can't I give D there? Hey, what is F stands for in C programming? Huh?
Float.
Float, Manoj, correct. Joragala. Girls.
Float.
3F. I can give 2F. I can give 3I. I can give 2I. I can give 2D. I can give 3D. What does that F stands for? Girls. Manasa. Kavya. Bashyam. Jivan. Jyoti. Shailesh. Respond. 3F F andre ಏನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು? It's a data type. What is the data type?
Float.
Float. I andre integer, D andre double, S andre string. Why I have given F there? I can give as an integer also, right? There is some reason why we have given F. What might be the reason? ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವು ಬರೀ ಎಫ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ? Why now? We can give I also. We can give I also, but why I have given F?
For different color combinations, sir.
100% correct, Manoj. It's not only one we are supposed to give. What we can give, what we can do is we can take half of red and half of green and half of yellow also. See here, I cannot give here 3i. I cannot save it as 3i, and I cannot give decimal values here. 0.5. Will this piece of code work?
Yes, sir.
Will this code work?
No,
I have
sir.
given it as GL color 3i. I have given it as GL color 3i, and I have set RGB, red color to 0.5, green color to 1, and blue color to 0.7. Will this piece of code work?
No, sir.
It won't work, guys, because I have taken it as decimal values, right? I have taken the floating point values, and I have declared here as integer. Instead of 3i, what I can do is I can give even. Once again. Control C. I can give 3f, and I can give even 3d also, decimals. If I give 3i, will this piece of code, is it correct? Especially girls answer. I have given the specifier as integer, guys, but I have given floating point numbers here, 0.5 and 0.7. Will this piece of code work? Respond. I'm not getting any voice from the girls, especially girls. I need the answer from you people. Monisha, Monica BC, Navyashri, Praveen, Yamini, Soumya, Shashank. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, but I have given the values as floating point. Will it give the output for me? Yes or no? Reply in the chat. You don't reply hi. Hey, respond to that one. Whether the answer may be correct or wrong. It's not Viva what I am asking. Just clarify me. Will this piece of code work? Is it correct? What I have written? GL color 3i, 0.5, 1.0 and 0.7. Is it correct?
No, sir.
No,
No,
because
sir.
I have initialized it as an integer and I have given floating point values. It won't take here, guys. So better for our convention, what we do is we always start with GL color 3f. GL color 3f is the color format what we are going to take always. And see here, you just go through this piece of code. First, what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to initialize glut. That is achieved by this function glut init. Glut init stands for glut initialization. And next, glut init display mode. How many modes I am supposed to display? Am I supposed to display the image in 1D or 2D or 3D? So that function, it will be done by glut init, glut initialization display mode, whether it's a glut single or glut RGB. So RGB means I'm going to use all the three colors. If I'm going to use only one color, I can delete this GB. If I'm going to use one more color, RG, or I can use RGB, all the three colors. And next, window size, I can reshape the window also. Okay, I can reach the window also. Like earlier, for your programming labs, you people did not add the facility to give the shape of that or the size of your window. It was fixed size. Now here what you can do is you can reshape the size of your window. Here you are given 400 comma 300 comma, right? So if you give just 100 comma 100, you're going to get a smaller window than the earlier one. So next, glut create window. So glut create window, through glut create window, what we are going to do is you are going to create a window in your name. Instead of a simple example OpenGL program, what you can do is you can create your own name. You can give a just name. Let me give it as just XYZ. So now, for me, a window will be opened in the name of just XYZ. That's it. Okay. Just go through this one. I'll give you some time, more maybe 1 or 2. I'll give you 5 minutes at. And I'm going to start the class at 12:22. Just go through this one. These are the functions what we have discussed till now. I'll give you 5 minutes time, guys. Just go through that one. Just go through this one. I'll give you 5 minutes time. It's very important, guys. Just go through this one. Don't take it for granted. Just go through that one. Next, we shall see how to draw a vertex and a line and a line strip. Yes, just go through that one. Next we shall see how to draw. See, once again I'm going to tell you people. So you are supposed to place any piece of code, whatever you're going to write, in between GL begin and GL end. Okay. See here, GL begin, GL lines and GL end. The coordinate values or the vertices, whatever you are going to give, that should be placed between GL begin and GL end. Okay. So let us see how to draw a line and how to draw a vertex. Yeah, just go through this one. So GL begin, I told you people, any piece of code, it should be placed between GL begin and GL end. So GL begin indicates the beginning of the object that has to be displayed. Yes, that's 100% correct. GL begin indicates the beginning of the object that has to be displayed, and GL end indicates the end of a primitive. Now, as I told you people, the vertex is the base for any object to be created. Vertex always, vertex, we are going to start with the point only, right? It may be line or it may be a circle or it may be anything. First we start with the point. So that, let us see how to draw a simple points. See here, GL begin, GL points. Guys, everyone respond. Let me, I'm going to drop a message in your class group also. Guys, inform your friends, drop a message in the unofficial group of your class, because this is the most important thing. Ask everyone to join. Just everyone respond with I. Just everyone reply with or reply XYZ. Let me see. Everyone reply XYZ. Jivanu, Kiran, Kavya, Pavan, Mahima, 5, 6, 7, 8. Others. Hey, just for 10 minutes, not more than 10 minutes. I don't want to drag your time. See here. One nimisha. Just go through the PPT or the material. Here, I'm going to give GL begin, GL points. GL vertex 2, I stands for integer, 2 stands for 2D. I have given the values for, I have given the values 3 times. What will be the output for me? Reply in the chat box. What will be the output for this code? What will be the output of that code? What I'm going to get as an output? Most important, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ serious atoli. What will be the output of that line piece of code? GL begin, GL vertices. I repeat once again, GL begin, GL vertices. GL begin, GL vertices, and I have given 3. I'll message chat madaba. I have given GL begin, GL vertices, and I have given 3 times GL begin vertices 2i, GL begin vertices 2i, and GL begin vertices 2i. I have given it 3 times. What will be the output for me? I'm going to get what as an output? Okay, if you are feeling difficult, let me explain to you people. Now you are going to get output as 3 vertices. One vertex for this, one vertex for this line of code, and one vertex for this line of code, and one vertex for this line of code. For you, if you execute this piece of code, what you're going to get as an output is you are going to get 3 vertices or 3 points. You are going to get output as just 3 points. You're going to get the output as just 3 vertices. On your screen, you're going to get 3 vertices as the output here and there. Whatever the values you are given, you might be getting the output in that form. Okay. Understood? Is this understood? Reply yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Chat box already. Chat box already. You're going to get the output as 3 vertices here and there on the screen. Apart from Mansoor, Jeevan, others, Manoj, girls ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ response ಇಲ್ಲ. Monica. Next. Now, for the same thing, GL begin. For the same piece of code, what I'm going to do is I'm going to GL begin, GL line. What will be the output for this one? How many? What will be the output for this one, and how many lines I'm going to get? What will be the output for this one? This piece of code. I have made a change. GL begin, GL line. What will be the output? Reply in the chat box. What will be the output you're going to get? Are you going to get points or are you going to get different anything? Manoj, Subhash, ಕರ್ಮ ಕಣ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಯೋಗಲ್ಲಿ. ಮನೋಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ರಜಾ, ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ GL begin GL ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ 3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಏನು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ 3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, 3 ವರ್ಟಿಸಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನೇನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ? GL begin GL ಲೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನನಗೇನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್? मंसूर क्या भाई 3 लाइन किधर से आता है? मनोज ಹೊಡಿತೀನಿ 3 ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ मनोज? ಏಯ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಟಿಸಸ್ ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ? Especially girls, to draw a line, how many vertices you need? Yes, respond to this one. I'm not worried about the length of the line. I want to you people to draw a line. How many vertices are needed for a line?
2, sir.
2 vertices are needed to draw a line, right? Now in this piece of code, how many lines will be drawn? Reply in the chat box. See here, by executing this piece of code, how many lines will be drawn for me? My question is how many lines will be drawn for me? ಇವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿ, ಇವಾಗಿಂದ, from now. How many lines will be drawn? Super Jivan. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಒಂದು ಲೈನು? I have given 3 points. For that, in those 3 points, how many lines will be drawn? To draw a line, I need 2 points, right? So 2 points are used. One more point is there. Can I draw a line with only 1 point? Girls, how many lines we can draw? With this piece of code, how many lines we can draw? How many lines of output we are going to get? The output we are going to get lines. How many lines is my question? With this piece of code. ಈ piece of code ನ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ? ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್, everyone, by executing this piece of code, I'm going to give you 1 minute time. You just answer how many. I cannot proceed for the further class without your response, guys. Subhash, everyone respond aye. Just respond aye. Girls. Girls, I need answer, reply from the girls. Monica, Kavya, others. Manasa. You'll know Rama. I'm going to explain it once again. GL begin GL points anta kotre. Everything in caps, POINTS. We are going to get the output as this will be 1 point. This piece of line is going to give you 1 vertex as the output, and this piece of code is going to give 1 vertex as the output, and even this line of code is going to give 1 vertex as the output. Now after points, what I'm going to do is I want the output in another format. I'm going to change the code. Now what will be the output for you? Lines will be the output. For a line, what I'm going to do is, what I basically need is I need 2 vertices. I need 2 vertices. With this piece of code, how many lines will be drawn for me? That's my question, what I'm asking for you people. With that piece of code, our
3.
piece of code, ಏನಮ್ಮ ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಟೇಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಓನ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ 2 ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಒಂದು ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು. ಇದು ಒಂದು ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಒಂದು ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಒಂದು ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇವಾಗ 3 ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. 3 ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೈನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನಾನು?
2 lines.
3 ವರ್ಟಿಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಜೀವನ್, 3 ವರ್ಟಿಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೈನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ಹೆಂಗಮ್ಮ 3 ಲೈನ್ಸ್?
Two vertices, sir.
ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ 2 ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕ್ರಮ್ಮ. ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ 3 ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಈ 3 ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 2 ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇನ್ನೇನಿರುತ್ತೆ, 1 ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಲೈನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಯೂಸ್ 1 ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡ್ರಾ 1 ಲೈನ್? ಎಸ್. ಅಪ್ಪ, 2 ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ 2 ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇರೋದೇ 3 ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್. 3 ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೈನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? My question is, with the 3 vertices what I am having, how many lines I can draw? I can draw only one.
Sir.
I can draw only 1 line, right? And 1 vertex will be empty,
Sir.
which won't be connected.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Understood or not? Understood or not? With the 3 vertices what I am having, I can use 2 of the vertices and I can draw 1 line in between these 2 vertices. This is 1 vertex and this is 1 vertex. In between these 2 vertices I can draw 1 line. So I have 1 more vertex which is of no use. So now let me give a task to you people. So now in this piece of code, how many lines I can draw? Reply in the chat box, don't reply in voice. I have made a change. With this piece of code, I can draw how many lines?
2, sir.
Reply in chat box already. Let it not disturb others. How many lines you can draw? You can draw 2 lines. Iri onde one nimisha. Now one nimisha. Now with this piece of code, how many lines I can draw? What will be the output of this piece of code? Reply in the chat box. Exact ಆಗಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಟಿಸಸ್ ಖಾಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ನ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಟಿಸಸ್ ಖಾಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Just have a glance of this one. To draw one line, we need two vertices. To draw one line, we need two vertices. For that matter, now I am having this piece of code. What will be the output of this one?
3 lines, 1 vertices, sir.
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಮ್ಮ, ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಮ್ಮ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈಗ ಅದೇ ಕೋಡನ್ನು ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿ. GL begin, GL. What will be the output of this piece of code? A triangle andre ಏನು ರಾಜಾ? Can you say a triangle is also a polygon?
Yes, sir.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ಇಲ್ಲೋ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ, ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದೆ. Can you call a triangle as a polygon, square as a polygon, rectangle as a polygon, pentagon as a polygon? A polygon with 3 vertices, what you are going to call it as? ಹೇಳ್ರೋ. ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಏನಮ್ಮ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೇನೋ ಎಲ್ಲ? ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್, a polygon with 3 vertices or 3 sides, you can call it as? ಕಾವ್ಯ, ಮಾನಸ, ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕೇನಮ್ಮ ಕಾವ್ಯ ಯಾವಾಗ? So for the same piece of code, what will be the output? GL begin, I have given something as GL underscore polygon. What will be the output of this piece of code?
Triangle, sir.
Girls, hey, message ಮಾಡ್ರಲ್ಲ, ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬೇಡ. What will be the output? Triangle will be the output. ಈಗ what will be the output for this piece of code? Yes, what will be the output for this piece of code? Reply in the chat box. Apart from Mansoor and Mahima, Manoj, ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋದೇನಾ? Square, rectangle, cube, everything is correct. 4 sides, quadrilateral, anything. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಕಾರ್ತಿಕೇಯನ್, ಯಾವ people understood? GL begin, GL underscore common. ನೀನಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ಲೈನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ಪಾಲಿಗಾನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. in between GL end, GL begin, GL end, ಮಧ್ಯ ನೀನು ಎಷ್ಟಾದರೂ ವರ್ಟಿಸಸ್ ಕೊಡು, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಬಾದರ್ಡ್. ನೀನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀಯ? GL begin, GL ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, GL begin, GL ಲೈನ್, GL begin, GL ಪಾಲಿಗಾನ, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಂದು ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಓಕೆ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್, ಏನಮ್ಮ ಕುಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ ಎದ್ದು ಇನ್ನು ಇವಾಗ ಟಿಫನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? Okay, guys, if there are 2 hours a day, 1 hour we have got the instructions to handle, not the both hours. So that's the reason I did not handle the second hour. Even Sumangla madam, she might be handling the afternoon hour. Okay, is this understood, Manasa? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ನಮ್ಮ? ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ಅಂತೀಯ, ನೋ ಸರ್ ಅಂತೀಯ? Okay, we are not in a hurry. Let's see once again the same thing in the tomorrow's class. ನಿಮಗೆ okay, today you might have understood some 30 to 40, 50, 60, 70%. ನಾಳೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡೋಣ. You will understand better. Okay? Okay, thank you for guys for today's class. Carry on with you. Bye.
Sir, we haven't yet gotten this right.